The main street in my village isn't the longest, but it has a tree. A cat in the tree. One day, Mrs. Jones's cat settled down to quietly lie in the sun until Mr. Drake's dog appeared. The cat climbed to the top of the tree because cats know how to climb trees. Mr. Drake's dog stayed at the bottom of the tree, waiting, because dogs can wait for a long time. The cat at the top waited for the dog to go away. The dog at the bottom waited for the cat to come down. But the cat didn't come down because the dog wouldn't go away. And the dog wouldn't go away because the cat didn't come down. The cat waited till the dog got tired and went away. When the cat took his first step to come down, he was afraid and thought, "I'm not moving from here till someone comes for me." And he meowed and meowed until someone passed by. Mrs. Jones's daughter, not giving it another thought, climbed up the tree. When she was about to jump with the cat in her arms, she thought, "If I jump from up here, I'll kill myself. And if I kill myself, my parents will kill me. It's better to cry and somebody can come and rescue me." And the girl cried and cried, and the cat meowed and meowed until someone passed by. Mrs. Jones's husband heard the cat meowing and his daughter crying, and understood they were in trouble. Not giving it another thought, he climbed the tree till he got to the girl and the cat. As soon as he looked down, he felt dizzy. He felt sick, and everything went round in circles.
I'll have to shout for help to get out of this mess.
And the father shouted and shouted, and the daughter cried and cried, and the cat meowed and meowed until someone passed by. Mrs. Jones, who was a little deaf.
Mommy!
Hello?
Hi, Mommy. It's me, your daughter.
Oh?
I'm up here with the cat in the tree.
Where? I can't see you.
Up in the tree. Can't you see me?
Oh? What on earth are you doing up there? You're going to fall.
I can't get down.
You climb down.
But I can't.
Come down right now or I'll call your father.
He's up here, too?
Oh.
Well, that's done it. Kisses. Bye. Bye.
But she did give it another thought before climbing the tree.
It's better to call the fireman and go back home in one piece. Fireman! Fireman!
And the father,
Help me!
and the girl, and the cat,
Fireman!
until someone passed by. The fire engine, which is usually what appears when we call for the firemen. They put the ladder to the tree and climbed up to where the father, the girl, and the cat were.
Whoa, look at that.
When they were about to come down, the ladder began to shake and broke.
Keep calm, don't panic.
The fireman said, and they turned their siren on, and the siren sounded, and the mother,
Fireman! Fireman!
and the father,
Oh.
and the daughter, and the cat. Then the tree, tired of so much commotion, thought, if anybody else comes up and nobody goes down, I'm going to snap a branch.
Help me, please.
So he asked the bird to tell the cloud to see if she could do something. The bird flew to the cloud and gave her the message. The cloud floated above the tree, and it began to rain. As cats don't like rain at all, when the fourth drop fell, he thought, I'm afraid of climbing down, but I don't want to get wet. And he jumped from the girl's arms, ran down the trunk of the tree, stood firmly on the ground, and walked away unruffled. The cat, jumping, frightened the father, who raised his arms and shouting, let go of the tree, and fell. Lucky for him, the firemen, when they saw he was going to hurt himself in the fall, got down before him and put a big mattress under the tree. The girl thought it was all amusing and fell without realizing the fireman had already gone. The cold, gray ground was all that awaited her, and her mother, thank goodness. Mrs. Jones held her daughter in her arms, and off they went. And when the tree in the main street was alone again, he sighed.
Oh, what a relief.